Lasagna. Lasagna is a renowned Italian dish cherished for its layers of pasta, rich sauces and flavorful fillings. Here are some interesting facts about this beloved dish. Historical roots. Lasagna has been enjoyed for centuries, with its origins tracing back to ancient Rome. It has evolved over time but has always been cherished for its layered pasta goodness. Regional variations. Different regions in Italy have their own take on lasagna. For example, some use spinach pasta, while others incorporate unique ingredients like hard-boiled eggs. Each variation adds to the rich tapestry of Italian cuisine. Family tradition. Making lasagna is often a special family affair in Italy. It's a dish that brings generations together, often prepared for important celebrations and gatherings. Sharing a homemade lasagna is a cherished tradition in many Italian households. Versatility. One of the great things about lasagna is its adaptability. Whether you prefer a classic meaty version or a veggie-packed alternative, there's a lasagna recipe to suit every taste bud. It's a dish that welcomes creativity and experimentation in the kitchen. Global popularity. Lasagna isn't just loved in Italy. It has also captured the hearts and appetites of people around the world. Its comforting layers of pasta, sauce, and cheese have made it a beloved comfort food in many countries. Showcasing the universal appeal of Italian cuisine, lasagna isn't just a meal. It's a journey through history, culture, and family traditions. Whether you're cooking up a batch for a special occasion or simply craving some comfort food, lasagna is sure to satisfy both your hunger and your soul. Did you find this video cool and interesting? Show your support by giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button for more awesome content. Let us know what part of the video fascinated you the most in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.